Wonderful. Still here at the 15th annual ACG New York Healthcare Conference, full of payers, providers, systems, buyers, sellers, predominantly in middle market healthcare. And look who I've bumped into.
What's up, Vic? How are you?
Tino, how are you, sir?
Oh my God, thank you. It's an honor to be here. This is fantastic.
The pleasure is all ours. I want now, Tino, I've known you a little bit for a while now.
Yeah.
But I want to have the viewers learn a little bit more about you if we could in these few moments that we have. So tell us your journey from whence to now and what you do, especially within the healthcare space.
Okay, sure. So I'm Italian. I was born and raised in Italy. And I came to the United States and we started, originally started with, I owned a construction company. We did a lot of commercial in New York City, a lot of work, and then we went into the healthcare space for the United States. My network of clients own great portfolio throughout the country, and I was very blessed to know them, and they became my friends.
Yeah.
At that point, I started to invest in the company, and then I started to open my own company. Rhythm Healthcare is a management company. But we also own right now in Virginia, and with my partners we own in Massachusetts, New York, New Jersey, and God willing very soon United States, like Mississippi and Florida, God willing.
So it's a whole bunch of establishments all across the US now.
Yes.
And at its core, the premise of the business is what?
Simply speaking, we are taking care of people. We are a nursing home and rehab.
Right.
So we have usually two different units. One for the long term, for the elderly that cannot stay home by themselves. Nursing home are becoming really hospital because you go to a hospital, you're there only for a few days. After that, they transfer you to us because they cannot take care of you for long term. They only go there for surgery and things like that.
Yeah.
So they come to us where our nurses will take care of you and our doctors will take care of you. And then we have the short term, which is rehab, if you have a hip replacement, shoulder replacement, whatever, and that's where we come and you stay with us in our 5-star facility and we're able to take care of you for a long time.
It's absolutely fantastic, and it's only recently, and especially since meeting you and finding out more so from others, that I have found out the importance of such facilities all across the country. And you may deduce that there's a failing in the actual overall healthcare system, but what you're doing, I shouldn't be saying that coming from England, where you all know the woes of the National Health Service, but let's not get there.
I come from Italy, so I know that too.
I understand, but it's incredible what you're doing, Tino. And are there plans to open up more of these facilities?
So my group is definitely in acquisition mode right now. We're looking to purchase more. The Mississippi and Florida, they are not closed yet. We are right now in LOI contract mode, but we're definitely in acquisition mode.
Yeah.
But again, talking about the government, definitely COVID hurt a lot of people. We have a staffing issue. A lot of people, unfortunately, left this sector. But other than that, I think that we're going to come back stronger than before, and now is the time to purchase. I mean, if we look on a business aspect.
Well, speaking of, in a number of people that have been here, it's been incredible, and I'm so glad that people are out in their droves to take part in such events. How has the event been for you? Have you found it to be fruitful?
Oh my God, speaking business-wise, this is actually a wonderful event, and by the way, thank you, because you're putting together, again, I'm in healthcare. In a business world, you need the banks, you need the lawyers, you need the accountants, right? And depending which state you go, you got to use different people.
Yeah.
And I had the pleasure to meet a lot of professionals that I'm looking forward to do a lot of business with. Yeah. And this has been actually fantastic, and I want to thank you for it, and it's been an honor to be here. And I met some fantastic people, including yourself.
Fabulous. But, thank you very much, Tino.
Thank you very much, man.
All right, sir. And with that, that's a wrap for the moment.
Thank you.